Hey everyone, if you're having trouble with QuickBooks Direct Deposit and your employees aren't getting paid properly, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through step-by-step fixes so direct deposit works again quickly. First, verify that your linked bank account has enough funds. Insufficient balance is one of the most common reasons direct deposits fail, so check that before anything else. Next, double-check each employee's bank account and routing numbers. I mean, even a small typo can block a deposit, so make sure all the details are correct. Make sure your QuickBooks Payroll subscription is active and updated. Outdated or inactive subscriptions can prevent deposits from processing, so verify the subscription status and update if needed. Check your payroll schedule and submission deadlines. I mean, submitting payroll after the cutoff time can delay or block direct deposits, so make sure everything is submitted on time. Look for any error messages in QuickBooks Payroll. These usually tell you exactly what's causing the problem, so follow the prompts to resolve any issues. If problems persist, open the QuickBooks Tool Hub and select Payroll Issues. So it can automatically detect and repair common direct deposit problems, which is really helpful. And finally, if none of these steps work, contact QuickBooks Payroll Support. They can help fix account or processing issues that you can't resolve on your own. So yeah, those are the best ways to fix QuickBooks direct deposit problems. Follow each step carefully, and your employees should get paid without delays. And if this helped, don't forget to check out more QuickBooks tutorials for fast and easy solutions.